Alright, so now we're going to move on into chapter 9. Don't forget that we have chapter 7 test coming up soon. I want to just double check that. I was talking with Pearson yesterday, and they said that they think they have the payment thing fixed and for you guys accessing MyMathLab. So just try to access MyMathLab again. It should be fine. I think they gave everybody temporary access for now, and then they're working on a permanent solution. But you should have access to MyMathLab to do your assignment now. If you have any more problems with it, make sure you send me a little note, an email, and I'll get Pearson on to go again. So we'll get through it. In the meantime, if we have to postpone the test that was planned for Tuesday, which probably a good idea right now, because we haven't even seen the assignment yet, we'll do it another time. So in the meantime, we'll move through the course. We'll do a review of the chapters before the test hits us in. Okay, so chapter 9 is about reading drug labels, medicine cups, syringes, and intravenous fluid administration. So some of the things we're going to learn in this chapter will be name the parts of drug labels. You need to be able to label syringes and medicine cups for proper dosing. That might be important if you want to be giving someone the wrong kind of dose. Read intravenous fluid administration bags, which is also pretty useful if you're going to be giving someone an IV. And use drug labels to find key dosing information, which is also good if we're giving someone drugs. Awesome. Pretty new to me. Just saying. I had a situation before in the past where one of my former students, almost within a day, was my attending nurse after my procedure I had done on my throat 3 years ago. So she was almost my nurse. Would have been pretty funny. So. Yeah, you never know. You never know where it's going to be. In any case, some of the things we're going to keep in mind in the next page here is going to be the naming thing. So, excuse me. We have a generic name. And a generic name indicates the chemical name of the drug and includes any drug marketed under its chemical name without advertising. The trade name indicates the brand name or may have a R or TM trademark beside it. Manufacturer is, as you would think, indicates the maker or manufacturer of the drug. We have an NDC, National Drug Code, and that identifies manufacturer, medication, and the container size. There's also a lot number that's placed on the label prior to shipping to identify the lot, which is the shipment that they're sending out. That actual drug they made in that batch, basically. The drug form indicates whether it be cream, capsule, tablet, drop, tablet, suppository, syrup, so on. The dosage strength provides the strength of the dose per tablet, per mil, per syrup, whatever. The adult dose indicates the adult dose usage. The amount in a vial packet. And prescription warning, sometimes there's warning labels on these things. And expiration date. Also important to have an expiration date there. So those are the things we need to be able to find on a drug label. Now, not all drug labels contain all of this information, but they do contain the most important parts of these information. Look at an example. We've also some examples of this naming in the next few slides, but we'll start off with an example that shows us all the solutions. Okay, jumping right in here. You can see that this is morphine. Morphine. Oops, my bad. Let me do that. So looking up here, I'm just going to go clockwise around. Let's see. For example, here to see the drug name is morphine. The drug meets the standards of U.S. pharmacopoeia, which just says right there. The usual adult dosage over here is right there. It's a C package insert for complete prescribing information. Down here it's a controlled substance, because you see the right here in this area. The prescription warning, prescription only. The manufacturer will be PL Pharmaceuticals. The dosage would be 10 milligrams per mil, and 1 mil is in 1 vial. So 10 milligrams per vial, essentially. Storage directions would be protect from sunlight, and we do not use if precipitated, and that means if it's turned into a solid. It's kind of like don't drink your milk if it turns into a solid. That's not good. I haven't tried it. I tried it. Not good. Don't ever try that. And of course, the form of the drug right here is the injection. Okay, so any questions on that? Those are the main things you gotta be able to find on a drug label. And for you, if you're administering drugs, you want to make sure you know the drug strength for sure. So you know what you're administering, and of course the adult dosage. So you know what you're administering. Right. So let's look at an example. So let's first of all look at the generic name. So this is a question, practice question 1 in your textbook. And let's look at the generic name. And you can see that the generic name is Lorazepam. Generic name is right here. So the generic name is Lorazepam. And the trade name is not shown. Manufacturer is down here. We have PL Pharmaceuticals. Oops. The drug NDC number, or the drug national drug code number, would be would appear on top. Just note, see what says NDC. So that would be 607711281, and the lot number. See down here it says lot, but once again it's not shown, so it's not shown. Drug form. It's you see here that it's in a vial and it's for IV, so it's going to be solution form. Notice do not use the solution, which is again you see over here solution, is in a precipitate form, which means if the solution is in a solid form or solid forming in the solution, don't use it. Not good. And the dosage strength would be right here. 4 milligrams per mil. And the adult dosage is the C instructions. C company information. So C instructions. Total amount on vial for 500 per bath. This is 1 mil right here. 1 mil. And a prescription warning. Right here. Prescription warning, sorry, is protect from light.
Hey Elliot.
Yep.
I can't see what you're doing on your screen. I just have like a completely white screen.
Okay. So you don't see any changes now?
No.
You're using a Mac by chance?
No. No, it's an HP.
Okay, just try to try logging out and see if that makes a difference.
Okay, will do.
Okay. Anybody else see fine?
I don't think I see it either. I just see Unit 9 reading drug labels and
So
I don't see anything.
See the picture, right? You see this picture here, right? Drug label?
I don't think so.
going to pause the. So down here it says expiration date, and you see that there's no expiration date given, so the expiration date is not shown. Not shown. Any questions on anything on that label? So those are the most important pieces to get those identified. So when we do the test on those, we'll be asked for those kinds of questions to identify those pieces. Alright, let's try number 2. Move this down here a little bit. Oops. Number 2 of the Ocean. Necessarily, some of these things I had trouble pronouncing. It's crazy. Who puts up with these names? I don't know. So let's have a look at the things we're asked to do for this one. So for this one, the generic name is going to be the Doxadosin. Let's see, Doxa. Changed my pen there for a second, sorry. D-O-X. You notice my writing has gotten really messy all of a sudden. It's because my great pen, my normal pen, has just given out on me. Again, acting up again. So in case, the trade name, as you can see, is not given. So it's not shown. Oh, why is this thing so freaky? Here we go. So this one here is not shown. Oops. Manufacturer is right here again. It's called the PL Pharmaceuticals. The NDC number is right here. NDC number is going to be 0049 2770.-66. The lot number. Lot number is not shown on this one. The drug form is in tablets. So drug form is tablets. Dosage strength, so that's 4 milligrams. That'd be per tab. The adult dosage over here. This is C company information. So see info. Total amount in package or vial. You can see that there's going to be 100 tablets in here. And scrolling down, next question. Prescription warning. It says here. See this warning right here. Store below 30 degrees C. And expiration date. Let's have a look for that. And I don't see an expiration date, so that's not showing either. Awesome. So let's have a look at another one. This one here. A little bit smaller. We're just going to do that. Why are you doing that? Stop it. Do it the hard way. There we go. So let's put this back in here, turn the bottom. And let's have a look at this one here. So look for the generic name again. And the generic name for this one would be I think I skipped one at a time, did I? Yeah, I did. Sorry about that. I'm going to go back to number 3. Did I skip one by accident? Because the thing was messing around with me. Oh, I'll get it in a second. There we go. I don't want to skip any of these. You shouldn't trouble with them. Put this back in. And let's do number 3. Then we'll get to number 4. If the computers keep cooperating with us. Alright, so generic name. As I was going to say last time, this one is good. It's the same in the same place, but it's a different name. It's going to be amlodipine benzoate. That's my best guess. That's fine. You know what it is, you know how to find it. So it's going to be right there. It's going to be the trade name is not shown. Manufacturer once again with PL Pharmacies, Pharmaceuticals. The drug lot number is right there. The national drug code number is right here. So we have 0069 152066. The lot control number. That's not shown. I don't see that anywhere. Drug form. It's in tablets. And the strength will be 2.5 milligrams per tablet. Available dosage. So here see something information. So see info. And down here, total amount in the package. You see that it's going to be 100 tablets. And warning would be federal law prohibits anything without prescription, so warning would be prescription. Expiration date? I don't see any expiration date, so it's not shown. Awesome. Any questions on that one? Cool. Now we'll go back to number 4. We'll go a minute ago. And give that one a shot. So, the generic name for this one. I hope this is starting to get simple now. So I know to look for these things. The generic name is going to be right here, hydroxine pamoate. So right here. So the generic name would be HYTXYZINE. And the trade name, I don't see a trade name. Manufacturer once again is PL Pharmaceuticals. Drug code is right here, 0069540.9-97. That's cool. Not control number. I don't see that, so it's not shown. Drug form. It's an oral suspension. And dosage strength. It says 25 milligrams per 5 mils. Or you may see it written this way. If the test tries to trick you, we can reduce 25 to 5 to 5 milligrams per mil. So it's the same thing, same dosage. The adult dosage up here, let's have a look. It's the adult dosage, 1 to 4 teaspoons, 3 to 4 times a day. So 1 to 4 teaspoons. The amount in the vial is right here. We have 120 ml of solution. And prescription warning right here. Prescription only. And expiration date. And I don't see any expiration date, so that's not shown. Expiration date is not shown. Alright, I think the last drug label that we have in the section is drug label number 5, or practice number 5. And let's have a look at that one. So one begins. This one is erythromycin erythrosuccinate. If you can't get these right, I don't care. As long as you can just determine where it is and write it down or pick it out of the crowd, perfect. So the generic name is right here. It's right here. So it's going to be E. And the trade name that's not shown. Manufacturer, I think this guy manufactures everything. Drug code is right here. 0074 630213. The lot number. Lots here. Expirations here, so it's not shown. Drug forms, once again, it's an oral suspension. And down here, look at the dosage strength. It's going to be 200 milligrams per 5 mils. Which is right here. Or again, it could also be 40 milligrams to 1 mil. But we'll probably go with this one because it's what it actually says on the label, so no problem. The adult dosage, let's look at the adult dosage. Dosage up here, it says C enclosure for adult dosage. Gives the children dosage, no adult dosage, so it says C information. Oops. The total amount in the package would be right here, 100 mils. Prescription warning, I think it just says prescription only, which is right here. And expiration date we said is not shown. It's over right here. And it wasn't shown. Awesome. So that is actually the end of the drug label stuff. If you have any questions on how to read these drug labels, that's 5 of them. We can do some more practice next week if you want more practice, but I think people should be having this down pretty good now. That's right here. That's all the ones we just went through. So, next section we're going to be into is section on medicine cups and reading these things through. So let's begin a new section. So this means it's a good place for us to stop for today. And in any case, we'll pause right there.